Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the Nexus Education System. I am Sayyida Fiza Gilani. This video tutorial is of week 1. Before I start the lesson, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now let's start. Our today's topic is photosynthesis, which is given on page number 24 and 25 of your science book. Objectives of today's lesson. When you watch this video, you will be able to define photosynthesis, explain the importance of photosynthesis, how plant leaves are adapted for photosynthesis, and balance of gases. In today's session, we are going to discuss first two objectives only. Photosynthesis. Students, what are things that we eat? We eat vegetable, fruits, biryani, etc. बट क्या प्लांट्स भी ये सब खाते हैं? जैसे हम लोग मार्केट जाते हैं, खाना ऑर्डर करते हैं, क्या आपने कभी देखा है प्लांट्स को खाना ऑर्डर करते हुए? हाउ प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर देयर फूड? Plants make their own food using the process called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means process of making food. Let's understand the process of photosynthesis very carefully. During photosynthesis, plants need only carbon dioxide gas from air, water and mineral salts from the soil, and the energy of sunlight to make their own food. This equation summarizes what happens during photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water and the presence of light energy, glucose plus oxygen. Plants get energy from sunlight, water absorbed by the roots from the soil and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and produce glucose and oxygen by photosynthesis. जस्ट लाइक अ स्ट्रॉ, जैसे हम स्ट्रॉ के थ्रू जो है कोई भी जूस या कोई भी लिक्विड को जब सक करते हैं तो उसमें मौजूद तमाम न्यूट्रिएंट्स हमारे बॉडी के पार्ट्स में पहुंच जाते हैं. सेम ऐसे ही प्लांट्स के रूट में भी रूट हेयर्स मौजूद होते हैं जो वाटर के साथ साथ सॉल्ट और मिनरल्स को भी प्लांट के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स तक पहुंचा देते हैं. ग्लूकोज. Glucose is used for respiration. Some of the glucose is changed into starch and stored for future use. During photosynthesis, plants make not only glucose, they also produce oxygen as a waste product. They need some of this oxygen, but the rest comes out of the leaves through the tiny pores or stomata. One more thing is necessary, that is carbon dioxide. How do plants take in carbon dioxide? You know that we have two holes in our nose from which we take oxygen in and carbon dioxide out. Just like that, the leaves also have holes. They also have holes in their lower surface of epidermis. These holes are opening known as stomata. Chloroplast. Like other living things, plants are made up of cells. The cells in a plant's leaves contain tiny disc-shaped organelle called chloroplast. Chlorophyll is a chemical in the chloroplast of plants. It allows plants to absorb and use sunlight. Chlorophyll is a green pigment. It gives green color to leaves. अगर आपने फॉर एग्जांपल नूडल्स बनानी है तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे? पैकेट को ओपन करेंगे, इसके बाद तमाम इंग्रेडिएंट्स को कलेक्ट करेंगे. बट उसको बनाएगा कौन? क्या वो खुद बन जाएंगी? नो, यू हैव टू बी प्रेजेंट, राइट? क्योंकि इफ़ यू आर नॉट देयर, नूडल्स जो हैं वो खुद ब खुद तो नहीं बन जाएंगी. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट, विदाउट क्लोरोफिल प्लांट्स डू नॉट मेक देयर ऑन फूड. Importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis enables the green plants to make their own food, converts light energy into chemical energy for the synthesis of glucose. Photosynthesis provides food and oxygen for plants as well as animals. Directly or indirectly, all animals depend upon the plants for food. Plants take in carbon dioxide gas from the air and release oxygen into the air. In this way, photosynthesis maintains the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So, in the absence of photosynthesis, there will be no life. I hope you all have understood today's topic. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and give your comments and likes too. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.